Remember that the LO, learning outcome, focuses on what the student will do, and that is observable and measurable. Let's take a look at this list of verbs. Which ones can we observe or measure? To know, to understand, to appreciate, to identify, to solve, to construct, to compare and contrast. How can we evaluate knowing or understanding? This is not something that we can simply observe, but we can measure to compare. This comparison would demonstrate understanding. There are actions that imply understanding or knowing, but these verbs alone cannot be measured. And this is when the taxonomy comes in handy. The most famous taxonomy is Bloom's, and the most used is the one to evaluate the cognitive domain. This one is divided into two main categories: verbs that evaluate lower order thinking skills, or LOTs, and higher order thinking skills, or HOTs. It is important to note how, as you move upward in the taxonomy, you can see how the lower skills are contained in the larger ones. For example, in order to apply content knowledge, first you need to identify it and then understand it. Then you can apply it. Bloom presents three different taxonomies and one for each domain: cognitive, affective, psychomotor. Complete the following activities, which first present the different taxonomies and then some practice to differentiate objectives from learning outcomes within the different domains.